So I highly recommend posting video on LinkedIn, and it's not necessarily because the algorithm's pushing it further, but it might be. I think it might be changing. I actually had a suspicion it might be doing that. But actually the main reason why I believe you should be posting video, and this is what I'm doing a lot, is because video cuts through the noise of the AI crappy content everyone's creating. So everyone's a bit suspicious now. It's like, that looks like an AI content. If it's like too many emojis, it looks too good, it's too organized, everyone's like, AI. And they've already got that kind of suspicious kind of thing happening. And on Twitter, X, and on LinkedIn specifically, which is what I have more experience with, I feel like people are just overdoing it with, like, even the comments are being, done a little bit too big comments. Everyone's posting a lot of amazing stuff suddenly, and it's a lot of content suddenly coming out. And what I'm doing is I've decided to, I don't care if it's going to hit more impressions or not. I think the value of having video in LinkedIn on social, link video anywhere is way more better, because some people actually click and listen to your voice and they'll hear you, but at least they'll see you. They'll get some more values of the kind of person you are, and they'll get a lot more brand recognition. So the value of video is a lot more than text. If they just see your little picture and just text every day, that's good because you're giving a lot of value. It's great. But if they hear you and see you, it's way more valuable in my opinion. So I'm just doing a lot of video at the moment on LinkedIn, and it's like incredible. People are ready. Like this video here got 3,000 impressions, 29 likes, 6 comments. People are like, wow, that's super interesting. This one did really well, but actually this one here, which had a lot less impressions, was really cool because I showed a process of, I want to show you my AI content workflow for creating one long form video, 3,000 word article, 5 videos, 1 video post, all within 30 minutes. So that's what I wrote. The impressions weren't that high. I'm not sure what happened, but what's really cool is people are like linking it to other people. Hey, they're putting their colleagues, whatever, might be something worth looking into. Another one over here, another one over here. So what I'm finding is with that kind of content, when you're showing workflows and video on social media, is you're actually going to get a lot more people engaging it on a deeper level and connected to other people, which often should push it further. For this situation didn't, but that's fine, because from this one here, I actually had 2 people reach out to me engaging with me about how to do this for themselves. I don't provide this as a service, so I can't. If I did though, which is when I was talking about LinkedIn ads, I would be, turning that into sales calls and turning these posts into sales calls and then revenue, which is super, super cool. So that's the whole point. If you're doing it based on a back end revenue thing, then that's cool. Right now, all I'm trying to push is people to my blog and to my YouTube channel, because that's I'm really in the stage 1 of building out traffic. I want to build out tons of traffic, and I have another video into my system. Traffic stage 1, leads stage 2, stage 3 is converting those leads into sales. So that's the kind of process, and I'm focused on stage 1 now. I just want to build out the audience, build out the traffic, and not worry about too much about the stage 2. So basically this is turning into, but you could be turning into DMs. This is turning into DMs for me. This is why it's so powerful. Show your work, show your process, show it through video, but you can also show it through text. But I'm loving video, and I think video is going to be a kind of a superpower. Get good at video. I'm going to make other videos based around how to be good at video in another thing, but the most important thing is just to be genuine. Try to be as concise as you can. I know I ramble a lot, so I'm not very good at that sometimes, but video is a very powerful thing for the reason, and I'm also doing this even on my blog. I'm going to be posting on b2bhero.co. I am going to be putting a lot of video there, so any traffic that comes to the blog sees me again, and I think that's really important for this personal brand stuff, and purely because there's so much AI content coming out. So my recommendation to you is utilize video as much as you can for the personal brand, and on LinkedIn, if you can do video, I'm going to be showing you, so definitely subscribe. Check me out on LinkedIn. I'll put these description link below. But basically, I'm going to be doing this 100%. I'm going to be checking whether or not video or normal posts, how far they get. So I'm going to be doing some videos, some normal posts, and I'm going to be checking exactly the impressions of each. And I'll be just showing this journey on YouTube. So subscribe over the next few weeks. But this is working. I only just started posting again recently, and I was getting like tons and tons of views on my LinkedIn profile page before, and now it's starting. You see that like line starting to do that, so I'm going to make some more videos based around that. And just because I'm posting every single day, and this is what I recommend to you, post every single day, you can build out your personal brand on LinkedIn so well. And there's some kind of stat which I keep hearing, which is like less than like a couple % of people on LinkedIn are even posting content on LinkedIn. So it's still very low competition. Start posting every day. You can get a lot of impressions and follows and all that kind of stuff. So this video was all about utilizing video in your post. Check me out on LinkedIn. There'll be a link in the description below, and see you guys very soon.